Hey, I just wanted to do a super quick update on the tutorial I just did on the following prop. There's two different kinds of props you can use. One is where it doesn't really matter which way the prop is facing, like a rock. It doesn't really have a face, so you can't really tell how it's following you, if it's looking towards you or what direction it's looking. But then you may also have a prop like this, where it's clear, like it's more where it's facing. So in the previous one, I didn't really mess with the rotation, but in this one, what I did is I adjusted the rotation, and so it's a little different with the adjustment of the rotation. So look, if I take off running, this guy's not far behind me, but see how he turns now, and his rotation is actually kind of based on me. So I can actually turn, and he's going to be looking kind of the same way that I am. I noticed that he also bends kind of as I'm bending as well. But I can actually position myself to where it almost looks like he's guarding me. Like he's my guard. Like that, right there. So it's really cool. See, and I can back up, and then he's gonna come along with me. So let me just show you the settings that I adjusted on this. So everything's pretty much as it was before, except this time I went and I got his view rotation. I dropped the float values down to 50, and I dropped the Z down to 0, and then I inverted the rotation. So what that does is when I'm looking to the right, he's looking to the left. So, and then I just put in adjusted rotation here for the adjustment on that. So there's a lot of different things you can do. When you start looking into these rotations, you look at all the things that you can do with rotation, and there's a ton of different things that you could try to work out to get things to coordinate. So just a quick update to that if you wanted to add rotation. So anyway, take care, and I'll talk to you next time.